Hi everyone, this is Miss Delaplant and I am here to give you a few directions, and this video is going to explain our final steps that I need you to take for your AP Literature exam that's going to be done digitally here on Tuesday. So there are 4 steps that we need to take before you test. You can see them listed right here. We have already completed the first one. You have already downloaded and you have all logged into the digital app that was placed onto your computer. Thank you all so much for responding to my emails and getting logged in. We just want to make sure that your technology is all set up and ready to go. All right, you've also started to practice with sample questions within the app, and hopefully you've become comfortable with the tools and the system that is in place for Tuesday's exam. This video, we're going to focus on what you need to do 3 days before each digital exam that you need to complete before the exam actually happens. So this is step 3 to complete exam setup. So when can I complete this? You need to complete this. You have 3 days to complete this. You can do it Saturday, May 15th. You can do it Sunday, May 16th, or Monday, May 17th. Again, when do you complete this? This is super, super important. You have Saturday, May 15th to complete it. It opens up at 12 a.m. So those of you who are late sleepers or get up super early, it is up and ready to go Saturday at midnight. You can do this quick check-in Sunday, May 16th, or you can do this on Monday, May 17th. Just to give you a heads up, if you haven't done this by Monday, I'm going to be calling students down or calling home. Please check your emails. This definitely needs to be done, and it cannot be completed on the day of the exam. I repeat, can I complete this final exam setup on test day? The answer is no. You will not be able to do this. So you have to be making sure that by, Monday night at 11:30, before it hits midnight, that it's taken care of. All right. So you're probably thinking, well, Misty, how do I do this? So the exam setup is really quick and it's an easy process. You're going to open up your digital AP app. This is what would pop up. You would be able to locate your username and password through College Board. You would type that in and it will send you over to this screen. You're going to see two spots, my exam and practice. Practice is where you've probably been locating most of your exam prep. Hopefully you're taking some time to practice what those tools are so that you're comfortable for Tuesday. What you're going to do, however, is that you are going to click on My Exams. All right, you'd click on My Exams and then you will see your actual exam here. And what we're looking for to do in this step on Saturday, Sunday, or Monday is you are going to start the exam setup. Okay, once you click there, you're going to click Start Exam Setup. Remember, it's a very quick and easy thing. It's probably going to be less time than this actual video. You're going to accept the exam terms and conditions. You're going to confirm your personal information. You're going to check device requirements. You're going to decide if you'll permit us to reuse your answers for educational research and instructional purposes. That just means that they might look at your answers. You might have a really great essay that they want to use for kids that are maybe going to be taking this exam, how you guys structured your essays, stuff like that. You're going to review the exam day checklist. You're going to watch a very quick video, and then you're going to wait for the exam to download. Okay. When the download is happening, you need to be patient because it says we are loading the exam onto your device. Do not refresh this page or exit the app. Okay. Once your exam has successfully loaded, you'll see a page indicating that the exam setup is complete and your device is ready to test. Okay, this is the spot that you should see once you're doing all of the steps properly. It will say the exam is now loaded on this device. Make sure you use this device on test day. And it says, come back and launch this app 30 minutes before your exam start time. So that's going to actually be done on Tuesday. All right. And it says, if you're looking for more than one digital exam, you'll need to complete the exam setup for each exam. So if some of you are taking English Lit and the AP US History exam, you might see both of these pop up, and you can go ahead and do both of them. Let's say if you are ready to go on Sunday, you might want to just do both of them to get out of the way. All right, so exam day. Let's talk about exam day. Exam day is Tuesday, May 18th. All right, we're going to do step 4 together on exam day. Now, I know some of you are at home right now. You are going to be remotely taking the exam, which is great. Reminder that if you have said that, yep, I'm coming into school to take the exam, you have to be in school and taking the exam. All right. These are things that I have already approved with College Board, so we need to make sure that we're following those testing procedures. All right. On the day of the exam, whether you are at home or with us in the library, you want to make sure that you have your charger ready to go, you're charged up, and you're ready to take that exam. Okay. The check-in opens promptly at 11:30 a.m. All right. Once we are checked in, all right, we would, click check in now. Those are the times where Mr. Sandecki or Mr. Demmer are going to follow through with a lot of the procedures, kind of talk about how the test is going to look, and kind of go through a bunch of directions for you. When we're ready to check in now, they'll ask you, a quick kind of like, what, is your name all set? Remember all those lists that you're all ready to go and prepped in. All right. So it says you're ready to test. The exam's ready to go. Good luck. All right. You're going to go through all of the series of questions that are there for you. Okay. And you're going to just make sure that when it's time to submit, that you are kind of ready to go, and you should see a congratulations, and we'll be around to make sure that everything is ready to go. One thing that I do want to mention to you is, during the check-in process, you're going to have to ask, there's going to be a checklist. You're going to kind of review some of the policies that are in place, and then you're going to have to do a little bit of a waiting period, because right at 12 o'clock worldwide, everything is going to start. And then the exam is over, and it should look like something like this, that your answers have been uploaded and they're ready to go. And you should be good to go. So we are very hopeful that our digital exams will go smoothly. But again, I need you to complete this step. And this is what's hard, is that the exam falls on a Tuesday, and the 3 days of the exam setup needs to be done. And unfortunately, it's over the weekend. So it's not like we can do this all together in a class or anything. So we need to make sure that this step gets done. All right. Thanks, everybody. If you have any questions, please email me, and I can certainly email you back and give you a call and walk you through anything with any questions that you might have. So be ready for Tuesday's exam, and be ready to start the final exam setup. All right. Thanks, everybody. Bye.